today let's start with chapter number 6, Introduction to Adobe Animate CC. So in this chapter I will tell you about Adobe Animate CC, then starting how to start, then different components, and then drawing tools that we use, setting up a new state, saving the file, opening and drawing tools in Adobe Animate. So in the ever-evolving world of digital design and animation, Adobe Animate CC stands as a powerhouse empowering creator to breathe life into vision. So this chapter delves into the diverse capabilities of Adobe Animation. It is an essential tool for crafting interactive and visually competent content. For the dynamic web animation to immersive multimedia experiences, Adobe Animate CC transcends traditional boundaries, offering a versatile platform that caters to the demands of modern digital storytelling. So what is animation? It is the process of designing, drawing, and making layouts and preparing photographic sequences that are integrated into multimedia and gaming products, right? So it involves management of still images. In this, what we do, we use management of still images and to generate illusion of movement. So let's study about Adobe Animate CC. It is the most popular software for animation. It is formerly known as Adobe Flash Professional that provides comprehensive authoring environment for creating interactive and media-rich application. This animation program is developed by Adobe System and it is widely used to create engaging project integrating videos, various types of sound, graphics and animation. And the original content can be created in Animate CC and import assets are added from other Adobe applications like Photoshop or Illustrator. It lets the user to easily design animation and integrate it interactively. So let's study about the features. What are its different features? First is illustration and other artwork. So Animate has many drawing tools that allows you to create vector graphics. Vector graphics are composed of lines, curves and polygons. So bitmaps are made up of pixels. The main benefit of this vector graphic in Animate project is that they are smaller in size. Although what you can do, you can download it faster. Then symbols and instances. Symbols are objects in Animate that can be reused. These objects can be graphics button, movie clips, sounds and videos. Copies of symbols that are used in an Animate movies are called instances. Then we have Adobe Animate Camera, which is virtual camera functionality. With the help of these features, one can easily stimulate the camera movement and giving the animation more realistic view. What it will give? It will give more realistic view to your animation. Then layers. They are the keys of working with graphic object animation. The user can draw, erase, add or remove. And one layer without affecting other layer. Layers can also be hidden or locked and they are very helpful if we are working with multiple animation. When you are working with multiple animation, it is very helpful. Then we have animation. We have many ways to animate the animation. So animation can be created using frame by frame or motion tuning method. Then we have vector brushes. They are helpful in creating strokes on touch sensitive devices. The width can be changed according to how pressure is applied while creating patterns. Now let's study with audio syncing. Then this is a timeline feature that will not allow the user to sign up audio in their animation. This is yet another features that Animate has added, and this means the user can do audio synchronization for the animation series. Then we have export format. Adobe Animate has adapted the web standards for exporting the animation, which makes it easier for everyone to view from desktop to mobile devices. Regardless of the playback environment, all the document types are saved as FLA or XFL animate file. Now start Animate and creating a new file. Now let's study how to start. So first of all, click on Start button to open the Start menu. Scroll down and click to Adobe Animate CC. Right? Like this, Adobe Animate CC with the welcome screen will open. So now let's search over here first. So we will search here. This is your Adobe Animate. Double click. Like this, your screen will open. So like this, your document will open, right? So this is your Adobe Animate CC welcome screen, right? Next is follow the steps to create a new file. Click on File. The File menu appears. Click on New. The New Document dialog box appears. Click on the desired document type. In the dialog box, properties can be changed. If you want to change the properties, you can also change the properties over here, right? What I have told you, first of all, we will go to New File. First of all, we will go to File, New. Like this, your window will appear. You want HD, Full HD, 4K, whatever, right? And then you will click on Create. Like this, you will see the screen. Like this, your window will appear. Now, width and height. So it is used to set the size of the stage. When you want to choose or you have to change this height, then rule unit is specify unit of measurement which you want to display from left and top side. Next is frame rate. It is used to specify the speed of movie. Per second, how much speed will be there. Then background color, any color you can change. Now click to create. A blank document appear. I have told you a blank document like this. Like this, your window will appear. This is a blank document. Now, I will tell you the different option. What are the different components? These are the workspace menu. Essential is written. This is your menu bar, right? File name. And then this is a stage 1, scene 1, that is current scene. This is a stage. This is a work area, right? These are the layers button. These are the different layer. These are playback heights. What are these? These are frames, timeline. This is frame number. And this is tool panel. Different tool panels that we use in the CC. So let's study about title bar. It displays the name. Whatever the file is open and that allows to open, the name is given. Then menu bar, which display animate menu option. Then file name tab. The tab that shows name of current file. If 2 or more files are opened, we can switch from one file to another. Then tools panel, it is a basic tool for creating and working with vector graphics. Next is current scene, means the scene which is currently working. Then is stage, it is a big white rectangle that I have shown. It is a big white rectangle in the middle of the screen, which is called stage. Here it contains text, images, videos. Then we have work area. It is the area surrounding the stage. Now properties tab, it is used to view and edit properties. Then we have library tab, it is used to organize, select symbol to add the movie. Then workspace switches between workspaces and create new ones. Then we have timeline, which is used to design timing of the sequence of the movie. So in this, frames are highlighted that can be chosen for playing the movie. Then we have layers which organize the pieces of artwork and it combine them to form a merged image. Next is layer button. There are buttons for adding and deleting. If you want to add the layers or you want to delete, you can choose the layer button. Timeline buttons scattered around the timeline. It is used for controlling. When you want to control frames, layers and movies. Then The buttons contain play, stop, start and loop. Now playhead, they are also called current frame indicators, marks the current frame. Frame, it is the length which is divided into frames. So they enable you to control what appears in the animation sequence, much like interactive slides. Now frame number, chronological order in the timeline. Frame indicator, select the frame number, current frame rate, how many frames play per second. It is a time that elapsed for the far in the movie. Next is understanding timeline. So timeline in the Adobe, it organize and control a document content like movie film, animate document, divide lengths of time into frames. Layers are like multiple film strips stacked on the top of one another, each containing different image that appears on the stage. Then we have playhead loops. When it reaches the end, the timeline status displayed at the bottom of the timeline indicates that the selected frame number, whatever the frame number is selected, the current frame rate aligns to the current frame. Now these are the drawing tools. I have shown you the drawing tools. So let's study. This is your selection tool from which you select, or arrow we say, right? This is your free transition tool used to transform. When you want to transform the graphic object, lasso. This is your lasso which is used to select irregular shape. Then pen, with the help of which you draw perceive curves. This is your pen. This is line. This is oval. And this is pencil from which you can draw free lines. This is your brush which is used to draw with fine color, right? This is bone in which you can inverse kinematic, in which you can skip spaces in the blank page. This is ink bottle in which you can add strokes. Eraser if you want to erase parts of the graphics, any part. This is asset trap. This is camera. And this is your zoom if you want to zoom in or zoom out, right? This is your black and white. You want to reset the strokes in black and white, you can do. This is your sub-selection tool which display added points, right? Then this is your 3D rotation. This is text. This is rectangle. Then we have polystar, paint brush, then paint bucket, eyedropper, with hand. This is stroke color, fill color, you want to fill the color, and swap color if you want to change the color. Right? Now starting up our new animate state. Now changing the stage size. So follow steps. So what you will go to advanced settings, the property settings, select the measuring unit, pixel, type the height and width dimension and click OK. Right? And when you will click OK, you can change the background color also. So for this you have to click on the white box of the stage, a set color watches, right? And after that, now saving our animated file. Now you want to save the animated file, click on file menu, click on save, a save as dialog box will appear. Choose the destination wherever you want to save the file, right? You will choose it, then your file will be saved. Now I will show you how. Like this, we will go to file, save as option. Wherever you want to save, you will click on save and your file will be saved over there, right? Now opening our animated file. Now you want to open, so click on the file menu and click on open, and you can navigate the folder wherever you have saved it and then click open, your file will be open. Now drawing tools in Adobe Animate. Let's study about the different drawing tools. First is drawing line segments. We can draw all sort of shapes and figures using line tool. And in Animate, lines are called strokes. It's what we call them stroke. Now follow the below steps to draw a straight line. First of all, click on line tool or press N. Position the mouse pointer on the stage area until the mouse pointer changes to plus. Click on the drag arrow line to desired length and release the mouse button. Like this, you can draw the line. I will show you over here. We have to go to line tool like this. So like this, you can draw the line of any size. Like this, a line is drawn. Right? So the line is drawn. Now it can be difficult to draw perfect line screen on the stage. So to draw a straight line, you will hold shift down key or drag a line. So like this. Now below are the steps to draw a free form line. So for that you will click on pencil tool, click on pencil mode, click on pencil mode, modify and choose any mode. Straighten, smooth, ink. Click and drag on the stage area to draw and release the mouse button. Right? I will show you over here. Let's choose the pencil tool first. Now any type of line you want to draw like this. Like this, any type of line you can draw. We can also draw curve line over here. Right? Next is drawing simple shapes. Now you want to draw the simple shapes, then you will click on rectangle, right? And then click on fill color. So click on no color, then click and drag on the stage area of rectangle. Release the mouse button and fill and the stroke option similar line too. So in the same way, I will tell you how to draw the different shapes. So now we have to go to rectangle 2. Now you want to draw the shape like this. You can draw the rectangle of your choice. Next is drawing a polygon. Now you want to draw the polygon. Click on polygon tool and fill a stroke option similar to and adjust. Click on option in the tool setting. Then you will click to option in the tool setting and select a polygon from the style drop down menu and your polygon will be drawn. Now enter the number of sides from 3 to 32. Click OK. You can drag and your desired polygon shape will be drawn over it. Now filling the shapes. Now we have drawn the different shape. Now you want to fill the color. So for that you will click on paint bucket. Click on fill color. Select the color from the swatches. Right? Click inside the desired shape and the color will be shown. Like I will show you in the rectangle. Like fill the bucket. Color you can choose any. Like I have choose this color and then you will click here. Like this, the color will be filled over here, right? This is how you can use the fill with bucket color and color the images, right? This is all about the Adobe CC. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.